Hello students of standard 10, how are you beta? Fine? Are you staying at home now? Please stay at home, stay healthy. Dear students, myself Nilesh sir, I am taking maths lecture. I am taking lectures in Osam Pathak school. So today we have already discussed you that I have completed chapter number 1, that is real number. Now we have already completed mean. We have already discussed about the mean, and in this semester we are going to chapter out of 15 chapters we are going to complete almost 5 to 6 chapters. That is chapter number 1 real numbers we have completed, chapter number 14 that is going on, then we will start chapter number 2 polynomials, then chapter number 3 linear equations in two variables, then we will start chapter number 4 quadratic equations, and chapter number 11 that is constructions, out of which we have discussed about the mean. I have already discussed you that mean have three methods, that is direct method, assume mean method and step deviation method. So out of the three methods we will get the answers in all the three methods the same. I am showing you, I am doing a revisions work of that thing. A question has been mentioned to you over here. It has been given, calculate mean by all three methods. We have discussed, but just a short revisions of these things. Class intervals are being given 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12 and 12 to 14. And the frequencies are being given 1 to 1, 5, 6 to 3. Okay. Okay, I am now showing you the solutions. Now you can see the solutions over here. First of all, what we have to do? We have to make the class interval. That is CI, that is class interval 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12 and 12 to 14. Now I have written down the frequency which was been shown in the questions. I have written down. Now XI, I have already discussed you what is XI. XI is also known as class mark. How to take out the XI? That is 0 plus 2 divided by 2, that is 1. 2 plus 4, that is 6 divided by 2, 3. Like that we have taken out the XI 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Now for the direct method, I have shown over here, for direct method the formula is sigma Fi Xi upon sigma Fi. Now we will multiply Fi into Xi, 1 into 1, 1, 2, 3 is 6, 1 into 5, 5, 5, 7 is 35, 6 into 9, 54, 2 into 11, 22, 3 into 13, 39. Now I have done the total of sigma Fi. You can see over here I have done the sigma Fi, that is total is 2020. Now I have done the total of sigma Fi Xi, it is coming 162. So now applying the direct method, that is sigma Fi Xi upon sigma Fi, that is 162 divided by 20, we get the answer 81 upon 10, that is 8.1. This was then answered by direct method. Now we will take out the second method, DI. For DI we have to take out A. We have to take any number of XI line A, but generally we take the middle one. So you can see over here in the XI line I have taken the 7 as A. So I have written over here, let assume mean A equals to 7. And what is the gapping over here? You can see 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The gapping, that is H is a gapping 2 over given. Now I am taking out the DI. So DI, that is how to do DI, that is Xi minus A. I am showing you over here, it is written Xi minus A. So what is Xi? That is 1 minus 7 minus 6, 3 minus 7 minus 4, 5 minus 7 minus 2, 7 minus 7 it will be 0, 9 minus 7 2, 11 minus 7 4 and 13 minus 7 6. Now I have done the total of Fi into Di, that will be 1 into minus 6 minus 6, 2 into minus 4 minus 8, 1 into minus 2 minus 2. Then I have done the total of all the negative terms, 8, 6, 8 and 2 it will be 16. Then 5 into 0 it will be 0, 6 into 2 is 12, 2 into 4 8, 3 into 6 18. Then I have done the total, it is 38. Now you can see which one is bigger, 38 or 16? Obviously 38. So 38 minus 16 it will be 22. So sigma Fi Di will be 22. Now I am applying the formula of second method. This is the second method to take out the mean. That is assume mean method. Mean equals to A plus sigma Fi di upon sigma Fi. The value of A I have already shown over here. It is 7. Then Fi di is 22 upon 20. That is 11 upon 10. I have divided by 2. So you can see 7 plus 11 upon 10. It will be 7 plus 1.1, that is 8.1. Hope are you getting clear? Now I am explaining you how to take out the ui. So beta ui, for the ui we have to use di divided by h. So what is di? So di is minus 6. And what is h? H is 2. So minus 6 divided by 2, minus 3. Minus 4 divided by 2, minus 2, 2 divided by 2, minus 1, then 0, 1, 2, 3. Now just multiply Fi into ui. 1 into minus 3, 2 into minus 2, minus 4, 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Done the total of this one, it will be minus 8. 5 into 0, it will be 0. 6 into 1, 6. 2 4s are 8 and 3 3s are 9. I have done the total of Fi, this one positive terms, 6, 4 and 19, it is 11. Sorry, 19. Now which one is bigger? The 19 minus 8, it will be positive 11. So sigma Fi ui is 11. Now I am applying the formula. What is the formula? Step division formula is mean equals to A plus sigma Fi ui upon sigma Fi into h. Now value of A is 7, Fi ui is 11, then Fi total is over here 20, I have mentioned over here 20, and h I have also shown over here is 2. So 2 divided by 10, it will be 2 divided by 20, it will be 10. So 11 divided by 10, it is 1.1. So 7 plus 1.1, it is 8.1. Students, hope you have understood this topic very clearly. We have taken out the mean by all three methods and the answers are same. Now students, we have already discussed that how to take out the mean, right? Are you getting comfortable? Good. Now I am starting mode. In the class 9, you have already studied what is mode, that we have to take out the number which is occurring more time. अगर कोई नंबर बार बार रिपीट होता था उसी को हम लोग आंसर्स मोड में कहते थे, बट इट वाज ऑफ अनग्रुप डेटा. अ नंबर हैज बीन गिवन विच नंबर्स ओकर्स मोर टाइम बिकम्स मोड, बट इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू टेक आउट द मोड फ्रॉम द ग्रुप डेटा. सपोज दिस इज एन ग्रुप डेटा, तो हाउ टू टेक आउट द मोड? वी कैन टेक आउट दैट it is 8 number is the highest frequency, but mode from 3 to 5 where it is we don't know. So for that, taking out the formula of mode by group data, I am showing you an example. Calculate mode. Now we have already done like this. In class 9 we have taken out the tally marks. We have formed class interval, tally marks, then frequency. So it is in that one is in group data. Class intervals are being given 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9 and 9 to 11. These are the class interval. Frequency 7, 8, 2 to 1. This has been given to you and you have to find out mode. Sometime in the examinations also you can be asked find out modal. Modal also means mode. Good. Now I am taking out the solutions. Already you can see which is the highest frequency over here, 8. So I have written the highest frequency is 8. Now the class correspondence to this frequency 8 के सामने में कौन सा क्लास है? 3 and 5. That is 3 is to 5. That one 3, 5 is the class interval. So modal class is 3, 5. Almost. Now modal class 3, 5. So L, this one will be considered to be then L. So I have written L is 3, lower class limit. Class size, that is H. What is the gapping? 1, 3, 3, 5. The gapping is 2. So I have written down H is 2. F1. Now you have to remember F1. Now look at over here. F1, F0 and F2. whichever will be the model class will be F1. So model class, that is 3 5, this one will be F1. F1 above 1, the above one will be F0 and the down one will be F2. So I have written F0 is 7 and F2 is 2. Now I am applying the formula. Now see the formula, that Z, that is formula of mode symbol is Z. Z equals to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiply with H. Now I am substituting the value. Z, L is 3, F1 is 8, F0 is 7, the gapping is multiplied by 2. I am showing over here that H value is 2. Then 2 into F1, so 2 into 8. Then F0 is 7 and F2 is 2. Now 3, that is 3, 8 minus 7 will be 1 multiply with 2. Now what we will do? We will just multiply these things. 8 2s are 16 and add the both numbers 7 and 2, 9, but we will keep the sign minus, because minus 7 and minus 2 will be minus 9. So now we got the answers that Z, that is mode, equals to 3 plus 2 upon 7. So I have done the division. 2 divided by 7 equals to 3 plus 0.286. When we add, so Z equals to 3.0286. So we got the answer that mode of the above data is 3.286. Now we can see, now you can see that 3.286 comes in between this only. So this is the way to take out the mode. Hope you have understood the topic very clearly. Related to that things, you have to do the questions. Every time remember that F1 will be the class mark, that one, the class interval will be F1, above one will be F0 and the down one will be F2. Hope you have understood clearly. Thank you. Now students, I am showing you another questions. Here I am solving another example to calculate mode. Now you can see over here another question is over, calculate mode. The class intervals are 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 11, and the frequencies are 7 to 8 to 1. Now the solutions is also here. Again we can see that here the maximum frequency, which one is the maximum frequency? 8. So maximum frequency is 8 and the class corresponding to that frequency is 5 to 7. 5 to 7 is the frequency one. So model class is 5 to 7. So you will get the answer of mode between 5 to 7 only. आपका आंसर जो आएगा मोड का वो 5 से 7 के बीच में ही आएगा. Now the model class is 5 to 7. So L will be 5. Class size is already 3 to 5. Gapping is 2. Then F1 will be 8. I have already told you F1 above 1 is F0. So F0 will be 2 and F2 will be 2. Now I am applying the formula. So Z equals to L plus F1 minus F4 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiply with H. Now substituting the value, 5 plus 8 minus 2 divided by 2 into 8 minus 2 multiply with 2. So 8 minus 2 will be 6, 8 2s are 16, minus 2 add, but the sign will be minus. So it will be 16 minus 4, 12. So 6 2s are 12, 12 divided by 12 we get 1. So 5 plus 1, that will be 6. So the mode of the above data is 6. So you can see the answer is 6. It lies between 5 to 7. So this is a way to take out the mode. Now you have understood the topic now. If you have any doubt, please do this sum again so you get the practice of this part. Thank you. Now students, I have earlier solved the 2 sums of mode. Now I am giving you 5 sums, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In all the 5 sums, you have to calculate mode only. The class intervals are being given, the frequencies are also been given. You just have to calculate mode of the following data. So now I have to see that whether you can do it or not. The method which I have explained, and again I am saying beta, please don't use calculators, you are in standard 10. So, use your mind, use the concept which I have given to you, remember the formula. In the first question F1 will be 8, in the second questions F1 will be 15, in the third questions F1 will be 23, in the fourth questions F1 will be 61, the highest frequency, and the last question F1 will be 10. So, the answers will lies in between that class only. Now, you have to do it. Okay? If you have any doubt, please see the video so that you get the concept very clearly. Thank you everyone.